Hi students, let us continue with the chapter Solution of Right Angles, chapter 24. Let me continue with the 8th question. Exercise 24, 8th question. Okay. In trapezium ABCD, as shown, AB is parallel to DC. Okay. So it's given AB and DC are parallel to each other, and AD is equal to DC equal to BC equal to 20. So all the sides are given as 20 centimeter. Okay. And angle A is 60 degree. Find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. You need to find this length. Okay. So how do we find it out? So since its two sides are given as 20 each, you can tell it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Isosceles trapezium. So this side also will be 60 degree. Okay. This side also is 60 degree. Now what we can do is we can give a extension here. I can produce an extension here. So when I give an extension here, what do I get? I have an angle here, right? So you need to find out two things. First thing is length of AB. Second thing is distance between AB and DC. What is the distance between AB and DC? This line will give you the distance between AB and DC, correct? AB and DC. So let me find out this first. Let me check it out. Okay, I can do it like this. Okay, so I'll get a square. So this will be 20. Now I need to find only this side and this side. Okay, this and this. So before that, let me give a name here, E and F. So from triangle ADE, from triangle ADE, we need to find out DE, right? So we take sine 60 equal to DE by 20. Sine 60 is DE by 20. That is root 3 by 2 equals to DE by 20. DE is equal to 20 root 3 by 2. That is equal to 10 root 3. Similarly, from the next triangle. So I can take from triangle. So I got this side. Which side I got it as? DE I have got. DE is what? 10 root 3. Okay. So from the same triangle, I can find out the other side also. So this is the answer for our second sub question. What was the second sub question asked? Distance between AB and DC. That is this. Okay. So distance between AB and DC. Second sub question. Distance between AB and DC equal to 10 root 3. Okay. Now first sub question, find the length of AB. So how do we find out? This side. So from the same triangle I can find out. Again, this side I need AE. So what I can take? Cos 60. Cos 60 equal to AE base by hypotenuse. AE by 20. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 equal to AE by 20. AE is equal to 20 by 2 is 10 centimeter. So we'll get the AE as 10 centimeter. Okay. So if you get AE as 10 centimeter, what will be FP? You're getting the same triangle here, right? FP is also 10 centimeter. So what is your AB equal to? AB equal to, first question, AB is equal to AE plus EF plus FP, that is equal to 10 plus 20 plus 10, that is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, hope it's clear to you all. And even 10 root 3 can be written as 10 into, what is root 3? 1.732. So you can get the answer as 17.32. It's always better to write the answer like this, not to leave it as a root. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Let me do the 9th question now. Okay, question number 9. Use the given information to find the length of AB. So you have a figure here. What's the figure given to you? Okay, you have a figure like this. Triangle goes like this. Like this. Okay. So you can see the triangle in your textbook. So this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. This is 8 centimeter. So you have P, B, A, Q, R. Okay, hope it's clear. This is 10 centimeter. So use the information given to find the length of AB. So only figure they have given the value. With this value you need to find AB. In order to find AB, you need to first find out AP, then you need to find out PB. Okay, so from first triangle, from triangle AQP. Okay, I need AP, right? AP is the base for 30 degree. So I can take cos 30, not cos, we can use tan. Correct? Because we don't know the hypotenuse. We don't know the hypotenuse. We know only the perpendicular. We need to find the base. So tan 30 equal to AQ by AP. What is tan 30? That is 1 by root 3 equal to AQ is 10 by AP is, we don't know AP. We need to find it out. So AP equal to 10 into root 3. That is 10 into 1.732 equal to 17.32 centimeter. Okay. Now similarly, I'll write it here. From triangle RPB. From triangle RPB. Again, tan 45 equal to PB by RB. Therefore, tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to PB by RB is 45. So you get PB is equal to, sorry, not 45, it's 8. PB by 8. You have 8, right? So PB is equal to 8. So this is 8 and this is 17.32. So you need to find the length of AB, right? AB is equal to AP plus PB, that is equal to 17.32 plus 8, that's equal to 25.32 centimeter. Okay. So this is how you find out the information. Using the information you find the unknown values from the figure. Okay. Hope it's clear to you. You're using the trigonometric ratios in order to find those things. Okay. Now let me do the next question. So next let me do the question number 13. Okay. We shall do the question number 13. Question number 13. Find first sub question, BC second sub question, AD third sub question, AC. Okay. ABC 30 degree, it goes as D, and this is given as 12 centimeter. Okay, so when you write this, you need to find out BC. Where is our BC here? BC is this length, correct? In order to find that, I can use the same triangle. So using from triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to AB by BC. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BC, that's equal to 12 by BC. So we'll get BC is equal to 12 into root 3. Okay, 12 into root 3 are getting it. So what is 12 into root 3? You can find it out. 12 into 1.732. 32 into 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 balance, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 into 1732. 4, 8, 7, 0, 1. So you'll get it as 20.784. Okay, this will be first. That is AD you need to find out. In order to find AD, you need to use the triangle ADB. Correct? You need to use the triangle ADB. This triangle we are using. ADB. So using ADB, you can get it as, wait, okay, using the triangle ADB, right? So from the triangle ADB, this one you can get it as 90 degree. Correct? Since this is 90 degree, this also will be 90 degree. Again, coming to this point, what is this angle? This angle, since ABC is a triangle and this is 30 degree and this is 90 degree, you can write this angle as 60 degree, because some of the angles in the triangle should be 180 degree. Correct? So you'll get as 30 plus 60, so this is 60 degree. So using that method, you can use from triangle ADB, you can use you have AB. Correct? What is your AB here? AB will be your hypotenuse. So since this is 90 degree, AB will be your hypotenuse, and you have to find out AD. AD is your base. So cos 60 equal to AD by AB. So cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 equal to AD by, what is AB? AB is 12. So we'll get it as AD is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So we'll get the value of AD as 6 centimeter. Similarly, next question is AC. How do we find out AC? AC you can find out from the main triangle itself. So third sub question, AC. So from triangle ABC, from triangle ABC itself you can use, from triangle ABC. Again, AC will be what? AC is the hypotenuse. Correct? Just have a look. AC is the hypotenuse. So AC is equal to, so you can either use sine 30, you can use sine 30 will be equal to, sine 30 is equal to, what is sine 30 for triangle ABC? AB by AC. AB by AC, that is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to, AB is 12, 12 by AC. So AC is equal to 12 into 2, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Now coming to the 15th question. It's number 15. A ladder is placed against vertical tower. So it makes an angle. So let me consider this is the tower. Okay, and this is the ladder. You all know that how do we keep the ladder. Okay, we keep it like this. So let this be the ladder and this is the tower, vertical tower. Okay, so I'll consider AB as the tower and AC as the ladder. Okay, ladder is placed, makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. So reach up to height of 15 meter of the tower. So this is 15 meters. So you need to find the length of the ladder. So from the given question, if you can frame a figure like this, it's easy to do now. You need to find the length of the ladder. What is the length of the ladder here? AC. So you know this is 15. You know this is 15 and this is 30 degree. So with this values you can use the trigonometric ratios to find the length of the ladder, right? So which ratio I can use? Sine 30 equal to AB by AC. Correct? From the figure it's AB by AC. So 1 by 2 is equal to, AB is how much? 15 by AC. So you get AC is equal to 30 meters. What is 30 meters? That is equal to the length of the ladder. Very simple. Only thing is you need to frame question based on the, frame the figure based on the given question. Okay.